Good morning. This is Carol. I've got some happy mail from my friend Nancy, who her handle on YouTube is at Handy's Candy. I will link her below. And we did a happy mail swap, a pretty massive one. And this has got a machine in here that I don't have, and I've always wanted one. So I really can't wait to see what's in here. It's super early in the morning. I'm having my coffee and waking up, and this is a great way to wake up. This has been sitting here since yesterday's mail, but I wanted to record it, so I wanted to wait. I did cut the tape, and I covered up the address and stuff. So let's see what is in the box. Whoa. Got close to the camera. Wow. Oh my goodness. I see sparkly stuff. I'm going to move this to the side a little bit like this. Of course, I'm upside down, but I'm going to move it right here and take stuff from the top. I'm going to do this off camera because I bet this is a card. But look. Oh, her cards are so pretty. And it's got a 3D texture right there. Like that little squirt stuff she puts on. Oh, I love those colors too. And the background. Oh yeah, let me open this back here. Ooh. I will read it off camera. Handmade just for you. So cute. I never thought about decorating the back. That is cute and inspiring. So cute. Okay, I'll put that over to the right so I can read that. I have a feeling this goes with the, yes, that's a cutting plate for the little machine she sent me, a little die cutting machine. Ooh, look at that stamp. Birds. All right. Ooh, some cling stamps. I love cling stamps. Summer, mahalo, aloha. Oh, yeah. That's my kind of vibe. Definitely. This chillin'. Cute, cute. Ooh, mark making. Look at the little teddy bear. Ooh, I love all the little mark making things. Those will be perfect for twinchies. Are you kidding me? Perfect for twinchies. And little words too. Oh yeah. And the circles. I love those circles. Those kind of look like eggs. That little banner. Oh, these will be cute. Oh, I love it. There's a little machine, I think. Oh, that's hilarious. That is hilarious. It's a little hand. When I need a helping hand, I'll know where to go. I'm gonna have to put that in one of my pencils over here. Like on my pencil. That's so funny. That's a hoot. Oh, keep calm and oink on. Oh my gosh. Oh, her stuff is so cute. Oh, got little dangles on there. Keep calm and oink on. I am here for you. Oh, very cute. I love how she's got like 3D stuff on here and it's got texture. That's so cute. Oh, little character. Stamping Bella. So it's got the little pebbles, the little person, and then to one of my favorite peeps. That's cute. And another cow. I need a cow. It's utterly amazing. Cute. Cute. Clean. Some cute cleans. I'm going to make some Twinchies coffee, which is my deal. Little hearts. What's up? Go for it. It's a gopher. Go for a coffee. Oh my gosh, little sunglasses for it also. Those would be cute, stamped on some gel prints. I'm doing a journal that's called my Farmer Brown journal. So I bet she's sent these farm animals for that reason. Because I see another farm animal. Lazy pig. Oh my goodness. Oh, I know what those are. Now this, she was asking me during one of my live streams if I had any of this gold leaf. And I said, no, I will have to research how to use this. Oh, that's cool. Thank you. Thank you. Wow. What kind of critter do we have here? Looks like the cow is sitting on some other animals and squishing it. That'll be fun to stamp and then color. Oh, look. Some different color of that gold leaf. It looks bronze or copper. Ooh. These are paint. You put it on the paint tube to squeeze it to make it easier to get that last little bit of paint out. I've needed some of those. She'd probably see me struggle. Uh-oh, this has got some lovely texture to it. I'm gonna move these stamps to the side here. Oh my goodness, Nancy. The hand is gonna make me laugh a lot. I can already tell. This is a handmade box that she made. I'm sure of it. Let me zoom in just for a little bit without making you dizzy. These are beautiful. Her work is so pretty. Ooh, a bunch of goodies in here. Let's see what's in here. She'll have to tell me what that is. It's some very velvety paper. Oh, look at the little pockets. Oh, Twinchies. Oh, yeah. I will definitely use those. And actually, today's Tuesday. Maybe I'll use those today. Look at the little container. That is a great idea for Twinchies, especially. Aw, I'm going to set that right there and use that today. And then some cards with her gel prints on there. Oh, it's a book. Look, concertina book. Where it just keeps going and going. Oh, that's pretty fun. So you flip it and use it. And then you keep on going the other direction. So it's like a never-ending book. Oh, very cute. Those prints are so pretty. I love that she used different prints on that. And the colors, I would say a lot of that is like vibrant grunge, which is what I love. Oh, we got something else in here too. Down in there, buddy. Homemade box. How fun. This is a piece of deli paper, feels like. Oh, it's got two little pockets also. Oh my gosh, this print here is so lovely. Let's see. I bet these are like artist trading card size. It's a nice shine. So pretty. There's a lot of different gel prints on here. There's a lot of work. A lot of different crafting sessions. And looks like some of them might even have it on the back. Just one that's like, okay, put that back in there. Oh, so cute. Thank you, thank you. You really sent a lot of stuff. Oh, some pretty stencils. Oh, so pretty, so pretty. I love how you made little folders out of that. I'm going to put that there, but I'm going to leave the Twinchies out. I was going to put them up, but I'm going to leave those out so I can use them. That box is so lovely to touch. It's really like grungy and textury. Nice. Now I think this goes with the plate. I'll put it right there. My goodness. Oh. Now I think this is a cling stamp, looks like. Yes, that's a cling stamp. But this, I think, if I'm not mistaken, is like an embossing thing that makes texture in paper. Interesting. And a little heart that says, "You deserve happy. Things fall apart so that other things can fall together." Aw. That is how it goes sometimes, isn't it? That is true. Because some things would never happen. Some other things didn't fall apart. Let's get back down to the... Oh, this is another stamp. Oh, coffee or tea. That's cute. Cute, cute. I love it. This is a die cutting machine. Oh, there's more stamps in there. Let's get this box out of the way. Oh, look. Move you. A little notebook that's perfectly ready for decorating. That would be a lovely little travel journal, wouldn't it? Perfect size. I could decorate that. I'm just so happy with this. This is crazy. Oh, she sent me oh my goodness. She sent me some PMR Studios stencils. Ooh, move that so it can be seen under the dark. I'll put that there. Diamonds. Circles and diamonds. Ooh, nice, fun. Circles and diamonds again, circles and diamonds again. That is a nice set. And it's called Diamonds and Dots. Nancy, thank you. Lovely, lovely. I love their stencils because they're on that UPO, YUPO. It's the best material. Yes, those will be fun. And then look up some more clean stamps. And they're good Twinchy sizes also. Powdered beverage, drinking chocolate. Huh. North Shore Summer. Oh, that's a person surfing. Well, my nephew would love that. He's a surfer, one of them, one of my nephews. That's so cute. Oh, can't wait to use all these new stamps. Yeah. All right, let's see what we have here. I'll have to look it up, see how to use it. I have no clue. This is a die cutting machine that you cut. Oh, it looks like it goes like that. I'm going to have to look it up. I have no clue how to even open it. That's how pitiful I am, and I don't want to break anything. Oh, yeah, I don't want to break anything. So I'm going to have to look up a YouTube video to see how to use this. Is that not the cutest little thing? Spellbinders, Prizm. Okay, I can't say I don't have a die cutting machine now. That is cute. Ooh, this is dies in here. All right. There was a Sissix machine at the library when I worked there. And the only thing I know for sure is that these are used in there. And then that's where I think you put the paper or the cutter, the paper, and then this thing, and then you feed it through there and it cuts the paper into little shapes. And these are some of the little shapes she sent. Ooh. Ooh. Cute. Have to be careful, these things are sharp. So, yippee, howdy, laugh, enjoy, smile. Don't know what that is. MHOA, moi. Is that a kiss? And friend. I think that's moi, like moi. Here's another one. Happy. Roar some, roar some. Isn't it funny how you can read things backwards? Really funny. But you do have to think about it. Now, as soon as I said that, can't read that one. soon as I said that, I can't read them backwards. Nope, can't read it. I'll have to stamp something, make something. This is outlines where I do know, like if you use this and you cut an outline, it gives it 2 different colors of paper. Like this is possibly a die cut that she cut. Oops, sorry. Oh my goodness. Nancy, thank you so much. I'm going to have to research this little machine and get me some die cuts. And I've actually saw some that I liked, and I was like, oh man, I wish I had a machine. That's interesting. Very interesting. I can't wait to play with this stuff. Yay, Nancy. Thank you so much. Let me lay some of this stuff out. I'm going to have to watch a YouTube video right after this. This hand. Let's all give Nancy a hand. Thank you. The embossing flakes, not embossing flakes. What's it called? It says gilding flakes on here. Gold flakes, stamps, farmer stuff for my journal, more stamps, some cling stamps, the cutest tags. And I love the stuff sticking out of the top. Oh, it's so pretty. You know, I'm so sorry I'm off camera. Let me go back up. There we go. It's one thing to see something when people make it, like on a YouTube video, but to see it in person is just a different thing. It's just so pretty. These colors, the pink and the like coffee color. Oh, that might be one of my new favorite combos. Think of the gel printing you could do with those 2 colors, but then all these colors, which I love color. Oh my goodness. And then this beautiful card and this little journal. And this grungy box with no more stuff in there. Nancy, I love it all. Thank you so much. I definitely am going to be busy for a while, which is awesome. I love art and I love art supplies. Oh, that's lovely. I hope you've enjoyed watching me unbox this stuff, and hopefully you'll be staying tuned as I use some of this stuff. I'd like to thank you for watching, and I hope you come back. Thanks, Nancy. I love it. Be sure to visit her channel. Link is below.